Hey guys, here we are. We're in Saraville. We're going to be doing some videos on houses that are being rehabbed from the beginning, during, and after. Right now, we're just going to go and do a quick walkthrough. One that needs a driveway, needs quite a bit of work. The landscaping, it is getting a new roof also, new sidewalk, steps, railings. It's going to be awesome because you're going to see the house before, during, and the final product. Of course, you got any questions, you can always text me, give me a call. Now there's no water, no electric, so it means some of the shots could be a little bit on the dark side. Deck is shot. Well, the stove is good. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait till the final. Figure about a month when it'll be all finished. Some things I got to step around. New windows. Well, let's take it downstairs. Well, guys, that wraps things up here. It's going to be an interesting rehab. But just follow and you will see the final finished home. Need more info, shoot me a text. Call me. It's in the description. Have a good one.